This year, there will be, of course, but I just can't think of any because you can see. Let's just bring up this chart here. With these bubbles, this is not good. Very little has pumped against Bitcoin. This is against Bitcoin. So not much has done well against Bitcoin. Some have done for the year, of course, right? Have outperformed and still outperforming Bitcoin. But for the last month, not so much. Right? I mean, it's been hurting units across the board. Now, of course, there have been some outliers, right? Of course, I don't trust this hex, even though it's pumping, right? This is not logical asset to own. It really crushed the people who actually initially invested in it. Um, but hey, you know what? People will invest in anything, and you can don't hate it, don't date it, just trade it. But still, right? It just seems like not something solid to own. Um, and then we could talk about what's called the Bitcoin's dominance, right? What happens is right now the dominance has come back a little bit because Bitcoin has fallen, but this is targeting, right, a massive pump here. If we break, if we break to the 49-ish area, 49%, we're talking a move to 60% easy before we see any kind of before we can decide whether or not this thing is going to continue moving higher. So that's pretty scary. That means it's going to wipe out most of the cryptocurrency, most of the going to outperform most of the cryptocurrencies. And you know what? We have to look at this and accept what this chart is telling us. This chart is telling us, hey, people are moving into Bitcoin with a lot of money, more so than they're doing alts. Now, with that said, there will be alts that do well. Which ones there are? They are. That's going to be a lot to figure out. That's going to be difficult to figure out because there's basically 10,000 of them, 20,000 maybe, different alts that you'd have to sort through in order to find the one or two that will do well against Bitcoin. Not worth it. Not worth it.